If your Westminster, Colorado commercial property has a low-sloped roof, it's important to know what to do and what to not do when considering maintenance or repairs. Worx is happy to assist you with all aspects of your roofing project. Do perform regular maintenance on your low-slope roof in Adams and Jefferson counties. Don't wait for a serious problem before contacting a commercial roofing company. Do choose premium materials for your low-slope commercial roof. Don't cut corners when it comes to material quality. Do inspect your roof every 6 months for damage or maintenance items. Don't ignore pooling water or areas of damaged roofing. Do keep leaves and debris off your commercial low-sloped roof. Don't let nearby trees become overgrown and put your roof at risk for damage. Do trust your roof repairs and maintenance with an experienced local commercial roofing expert. Don't fall for gimmicks or scams from roofing companies that make false claims. Taking care of your low-sloped commercial roof in Westminster, Colorado is essential if you want it to last for many years and protect your property. If you need help with low-sloped roofing repairs, reach out to Worx at 303-353-1825.